Welcome to an exploration of one of nature's most astonishing feats, photosynthesis powered by moonlight. We are focusing on high-altitude moss, tiny plants that survive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. These high elevations present unique challenges for plant life, including thin air, intense solar radiation during the day, and brutal cold at night. But here lies the puzzle. Certain high-altitude moss species exhibit low-level metabolic activity, suggesting they are thriving even during the deepest, coldest moonlit nights. The key to solving this mystery lies in understanding the role of reflected lunar light as an energy source. The moon doesn't generate its own light. It reflects solar light. During a full moon, the light intensity is significantly higher, providing just enough photons to be utilized by highly adapted organisms. When solar light reflects off the lunar surface, its spectral quality changes. We must analyze this light to see what specific wavelengths the moss is using. These high-altitude mosses have evolved extraordinary adaptations to harvest energy from this extremely dim scattered light. Specifically, they possess specialized chlorophyll structures. These are designed to maximize photon capture, acting like ultra-efficient light funnels for low-light conditions. Crucially, they exhibit increased efficiency in utilizing far-red light, a specific wavelength range more prominent in reflected moonlight than direct sunlight. Furthermore, these species maintain a remarkably slow metabolic rate, enabling them to capture and store minute amounts of energy over long periods, rather than requiring intense bursts. This ability means that for these mosses, photosynthesis isn't strictly a daytime activity, it's a 24/7 energy strategy. The lunar light activates a unique biochemical pathway, likely an extremely efficient variation of the C3 or C4 pathway, specifically tuned to operate with minimal photon input. While the nocturnal photosynthetic rates are minuscule compared to peak midday sun, the continuous, low-level energy gain significantly contributes to their overall survival. This mechanism isn't just a biological curiosity, it has profound ecological implications. The advantage of continuous, low-level energy capture ensures resilience in a harsh environment, where the window for solar-powered growth is often short or interrupted. By stabilizing these foundation species, lunar photosynthesis plays a critical, if subtle, role in maintaining the delicate balance of the entire high-altitude ecosystem. To wrap up our fascinating journey into the world of high-altitude moss and moonlight, the mechanism is simple yet elegant. Specialized chlorophyll efficiently captures far-red light from reflected moonlight, supporting a slow, continuous photosynthetic process vital for survival at altitude. This discovery opens new avenues for research into nocturnal energy harvesting, potentially influencing biomimicry and synthetic biology efforts worldwide. Thank you for watching.